everyone. We are going to travel around Tokyo today. I'd like to take a bath and have breakfast after. Now, we're here to get some blade for our breakfast. The breakfast here depends on the day. The option is either plates of Japanese set meal. For today's breakfast is bread and I get to choose 2 pieces. This is a bakery and seats are not available. You can take your breakfast at the 6th floor or in your room. Drink bar is available here. Disinfecting your hands first, then wear the gloves for prevention of virus. There's our breakfast.
Oh, 美味しそう。バリバリ。あ、チョコ。なるほどね。うん、美味しいです。
กลับมาแล้วค่ะทุกคนทานข้าวมาแล้วนะคะご飯食べましたね
ご飯食べました。美味しかったです。
じゃあ今は8時23分です。そろそろ行きましょ
行きましょう。じゃあね。
First, we will go to see Wisteria at Kameido Tenjin Shrine, and then go to Ikebukuro Gashapon Department Store and go shopping at Shibuya.
銀座です。乗り降りの際には足元にご注意ください。
富士祭り着きましたよ。イエーイ。
イエーイ。
一緒に行きましょう。
Two most famous Wisteria festivals in Japan are at Ashikaga Flower Park in Tochigi Prefecture and here Kameido Tenjin Shrine in Tokyo. The shrine is located near Tokyo Sky Tree, so you can see the super view of Wisteria at the tower like this. Due to the pandemic, there are few food stalls and few tourists this year. Unfortunately, there are few flowers today. The flowers were already in full bloom earlier this year than the last year because of the warm weather. Wisteria flowers are very popular in Japan and they appear on the scene of the famous Demon Slayer anime too. And I can find a great photo spot here. It's better to take a photo closer. And this is a great spot to take a beautiful photo. There is the shrine on this side. Let's make a wish here. Just write your wish on this plaque and leave it at the shrine. Your wish will come true.
เย้เป็นไงบ้างคะทุกคนเดี๋ยวเราจะกลับไปขึ้นรถไฟที่สถานีคาเมโดต่อนะคะต้องเดินอีกประมาณ950 เมตรค่ะไกลมากเลย頑張りましょう
頑張りましょう。ファイトです。
ファイトです
Finally, we arrived at Kameido Station.
So today guys, we are here and we are very excited to tour you around to the world's largest toy capsule store and it's only here in Japan.
Gashapon Department Store is the world's largest capsule toy store. The store boasts nearly 3,000 vending machines, This is very popular, especially for manga and anime lovers. Capsule toy machine, also known as Gashapon in Japan, is a registered trademark of Bandai Company. Bandai Company entered the capsule toy market in 1977 and it's been 44 years now. Amazing! There are capsule toys everywhere. Not only anime, you can also find weird stuff like this one. This is premium Gashapon that made from high quality material with special edition. This area is for boys. And this area is for girls. All Gashapons here are really cute. They are only for 300 yen. Demon Slayer fan will definitely love this place. You can return the empty capsule here. When you drop it to this machine, the display will be seen like a capsule toys factory. If you're looking for a cheap souvenir that comes with a bit of fun, try Gashapon. Thank you for watching. See ya!